F&A House is designed by utilizing the natural beauty of the surrounding area, especially the existing trees. These trees are a key element in determining the location and design concept of the house. To provide a clean and modern look, the exterior of the house is coated with a white external thermal insulation composite system, EDIX. The additional layer of white aluminum slats serves as protection from sunlight and provides privacy. The design concept of this house carries the style of a prototype saddle house, which gives a strong and easily recognizable impression. Functionally, the spaces in the house are organized into several interrelated parts. This house is designed with 3 main paths: public path, garden, swimming pool, living room, kitchen, private path, and service path. The service path functions as a separator between public and private areas. The design of the house creates a shady and comfortable atmosphere with a veranda, large roof, and yard. Transitional spaces allow residents to move freely inside and outside the house. The dominant use of white throughout the house creates a strong impression and blends with the overall design concept. White also serves to reflect light and give a spacious impression to the room.